On problem number 1, we're asked to find the x-intercept of the line 3x plus 4y equals negative 24. An x-intercept is a point on a line that we're going to draw that will intersect with the x-axis. And the x-axis is the horizontal axis on a Cartesian coordinate system. This is the x-axis right here. Every point along this axis has a y component equal to 0. So if I were to say, hey, what is the coordinate of this point? We would say this is 1, 0. If I asked you for this point right here, this would be 1, 2, 3, 4. This would be 5, 0. Okay, so every point along this x-axis has a y component of 0. So when we ask to find the x-intercept, to find where is that line that we're going to draw that's going to cross the x-axis, we need to let y equal 0. That's what we're going to do. Let y equal 0. So we're going to take our equation, 3x plus 4y equal to negative 24. We're going to substitute 0 in for y. Four times 0 is 0. And when you add 0 to something, it's like it never happened. So this creates the situation where this just becomes 3x equals negative 24. Now we're simply going to divide both sides of the equation by 3. And the reason for that is to get x by itself on one side of the equation. 3 divided by 3 is 1. Right? So we got 1x. And 1 times x is just plain x. Okay? Whatever I do to the left side of the equation, I must also do to the right. So I'm going to take negative 24, divide that by 3, and I wind up with negative 8. So x is equal to negative 8. Now, if I go to negative 8, that's over on the left side of the axis. So we're at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there's the point. The actual coordinate is negative 8, 0. So I'm looking for negative 8, 0 in my list. It is here. So Marge Simpson is no longer a suspect. We would cross her out. We would cross her off the list. Marge, you're in the clear.